and I'm the Vice President of the Brownsville Historical Association. Well, it's a tour that we've been doing for a number of years here in the fall during the run-up to Halloween, and that's why it's the Shades of Haunted History, is to give a little bit of atmosphere related to the Halloween time of year. Well, it's supposed to have a little bit of a spooky atmosphere to it, I think, and the stories that I tell along the tour will largely reflect some of the not so much fun kind of things that's happened in Brownsville at times. Probably the Campo Santo Viejo, the old cemetery, which really is hardly acknowledged as a cemetery, but it's a place where the first burials in Brownsville occurred and where there's some spooky atmosphere regarding it. Something a little bit different from what they might get in a regular walking tour. This will be some aspects that perhaps people wouldn't encounter in a regular kind of historical walking tour. Sure, we do the history, but we do a history with a little pizzazz to it for this. Glad to have people on the tour.